12. How many grams of calcium oxide are produced when 50 grams of calcium carbonate decomposes? So you see this question, it's very easy. The first thing you have to do is to get the molar mass of CaCO3, which I know a lot of us can do, but then let's just do it. So we have CaCO3. We want to get the molar mass of this one. Calcium is 40 plus 12 plus 3 into oxygen here, so that's 16. To solve all this, you should get about 100 grams per mole. Okay, and let's just get the molar mass of calcium oxide because they said how many grams of calcium oxide. So it's something we're going to be involved with later on. So let's just do that. So that will be 40 plus 16 again, very similar. And then when you calculate that, you have 56 grams per mole. Right, so I want you guys to know that this 100 grams per mole you're seeing here means 100 grams of CaCO3 is equivalent to 1 mole of CaCO3. Same thing there, 1 mole of CaO is equivalent to about 56 grams of CaO. Okay, so are we on the same page? Yes. Now let's start solving this question. How many grams of CaO are produced when 50 grams of CaCO3 decomposes? So we have 50 grams to start with. So we'll start with what we're given. 50 grams CaCO3. Let's convert that to moles, shall we? So what do we use? 100 grams is 1 mole. So do we put the 1 mole up or the 100 grams up? We have to put the 1 mole up. So 1 mole of CaCO3, and this is 100 grams of CaCO3. By the way, if you're this is question 12, we started from question 1. So if you're just joining us here and you don't know about all the things we've been doing from question 1, you can just send us a message so that I will show you how to get the link that would help you watch it from the beginning, step by step, okay? Alright, so grams of this would cancel grams of this, and now we have moles of CaCO3. The next thing is to relate the moles of CaCO3 to the moles of CaO, and we can see from the balanced equation that is 1 mole ratio 1. Sometimes it's very important to actually balance this equation, right? You don't want to run into problems at this stage. That equation must be balanced. So we have 1 mole of CaO over 1 mole of CaCO3, and then this will cancel out this one here. Okay, so we are moving gradually. Where are we now? 1 mole of CaO. How do we convert that to grams? Because that's what we need. How many grams, right? We use this, if you guessed it right, this here. So you can see here that 56 grams of CaO is just 1. Me putting that in this bracket here because of space. So I'll put it here. 56 grams, should I put that up or down? Let me put it up. 56 grams of CaO because that would mean I'll be putting 1 mole of CaO down. And this will cancel out that. And now we have grams of CaO. So you see, it's pretty easy. Just solve everything out and you'll be very happy to get 28 grams of CaO, which should be the answer. Right, so let me know if you found this helpful. What new thing did you learn here? Let us know. And of course, if you're not following, you have to follow because we're going to 100. Okay? And you'll be learning a lot. Alright, so I'll see you guys on 13. Bye bye.